Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight you're joining us here at Newcastle for the annual Christmas market. It's only been open a couple of days, so let's have a look around, see what we see what we can buy and see what we need. They smell absolutely fantastic. Wish I had smell-o-vision. There's a huge line. I wonder what it's for. Crepes. I won't be having one of them. And we've got fire and door, so we've got a wood fire ovened pizza oven there. And this is a returner from last year, the Parmarama with loaded fries and parmos. This is a new one for this year. This is Zenobia. If you remember back, we done a food review at their restaurant in Heaton. Well, now they've got, what do you call it, a shed, if you like? A stall here at the market. The Mousse and Vert is here again this year, the teepee, and I'm sure me and Emma will have a little tipple in there later on. Move on another big line here, and guess what it's for? Yorkshire pudding wraps. So the Yorkshire pudding wraps, the bao buns and the crumble pots, these are all new for Newcastle this year, but they were at York Market last year, so I wonder if they've got a stall down there as well. Another new one that wasn't here last year, the brownie bar. Brownies and blondies, £3.50 each, I need 4 for £12. And look at those. Cheese, my favourite. I ate everybody's cheese. That's what she said. So they also have the jams and relishes, so the chili jellies, chutneys, etc. to go with the cheeses. Nice. Ooh, something else that's new. We've got the North Pole up here. Not sure what this is. I wonder if it's a Santa's grotto or it could be a bar. I'm not sure, but I'll find out and I'll let you know. Oh, I'm getting a private tour. These are private dining igloos.
Yeah, so if you come just for drinks, or we've obviously been sharing platters and things, or you can go out to the market and get food and bring it back to it.
Oh, great. And do the cost to rent them?
Yeah, so it's off-peak times is £120 minimum spend, and then £200 minimum spend. You get like an hour and 45.
Right, that's not bad if you're in a big group.
Basically tenner each, really.
So it works out about £10 a piece by the time you get into them. And look at the view you've got.
Your own heater.
Wow. And it's nice and warm and toasty. And you'll have a drinks menu as well, so you can even get drinks in here.
Yeah, it's all waiter or waitress service to your dome.
So there you go, folks. That's what the North Pole is. So once again, this is a returning stall. The O'Donnell Moonshine.
They do minis now.
They do what?
They do little minis.
Oh, they do the little mini bottles. I didn't see them last year. Another returner from last year. The chocolate kisses. 12 of them for £18, and you get lots of different types of flavours, and they're so light and fluffy. These are really nice. This one seems a popular one, Secret Art.
Which one do you want?
You want the cheesecakes and macarons. And this one we've got watch stall and ring stall. Are these all handmade?
Yeah, all in-house. We have our own workshop in Alien.
All right, yes. Cool. I like them rings.
That's deer antler. So reindeers shed their antlers every year.
Right.
You can remake the antler into some.
Wow. So there's deer antler inside of the rings. And another new stall for this year. We've got a hot chocolate and mulled wine store. And you can even get boozy hot chocolate with Baileys or Malibu or Amaretto. That's the one I'll go for.
different mulled wines.
Oh, different mulled wines, yeah.
Classic wine, spiced apple.
So time to have a look at the other section of the market. So we've been down that section over there. Time for this section. Ooh, herbariums. Japanese herbarium bottle, a long-lasting ornate bottle of arranged dried flowers preserved in natural mineral oil. So there you go, that's what they are. And here we've got a popular stall. Wonder why it's popular. Lots of fudges. We've got some sort of crafty stalls, so we've got some homemade jewellery, and then over here we have the eco stall with natural cosmetics, lifestyle and gifting. All these stalls that have got lots of people outside, guess what? Free samples. So this one we have Riverside Craft Spirits. So they're giving samples of different alcoholic beverages. And I think I may have to have a tasty. So we've got all different flavours of gins.
It's got all different. The whiskey one.
Wow. So I'm just having a look at them. It's actually rum liqueur, gin liqueur, vodka liqueurs. So I've just tried the passion fruit vodka liqueur, and the lady was telling me that these are all handmade, handcrafted, and all natural ingredients. And of course this has a massive line. Why? Churros. And the most impressive stall of the whole market is the grill tower, which does your German sausages. Handcrafted jumpers and cardies.
Basically, you generally have it's
You weren't on it, it's just there. You can be. The honey stall. I wonder what they sell here. Beeswax candles. And of course, honey. So all different types of honey. And you've got some with honeycomb in it. Some with nuts in it. Pollen sprinkles? Bee pollen? So we're having a wander down the road to another section where the market has spread out to, and have a look around there. It is absolutely ram-packed tonight, but it is a Saturday night and it is only the second night that the market's been on, I think. So here we go. If you come up the road, so just down there is where the market is. If you come up this way, you get to the next section of the market at Ellen Square, and there's another hot chocolate and mulled wine with a queue with about 100 people less in it. So we're getting our first mulled wines of the holiday season. Nice. And we've found Acropolis. It's at a different side of the market this time, not where it was last time. But this is the best Greek food you will find. This is a new one this year. Crispy duck wraps and loaded fries. Oh, look at that. And of course the market wouldn't be the market without Geordie Banger Company. Get a look at them. Local made sausages. And this one is Redhead's mac and cheese. So you get original, chorizo, sticky rib and Christmas style. Wow. Now this side of the market hasn't quite fully opened up yet, as you can see. But we've got a teepee over there, so we've got another bar. And we've got more stalls over the other side. But like I say, I don't think many of them have opened up yet. So we've just come round the corner to have a quick look. And this is what we've got round the corner. So we've got a classic, old-fashioned type carousel. We've got elf school there for the kids. Christmas tree. And this stall's pretty popular. Why? Chocolate creations. And here we have more chocolate kisses. These are absolutely lush. Ooh, and fudge. So we've got the Christmas tree over here. But this is new. Got fire pits, and you can get your marshmallows on a stick and toast your marshmallows. Nice! Ooh, that teepee. I don't think it's going to be a bar. It says Santa Stories, so I think it's going to be like something for the kids, where they get the story read to them off Santa Claus, and maybe meet Santa Claus, gifts and things. Cool. But of course, you know, we need to come to Acropolis and get our Acropolis platter. Just get a look at that. That's the large Acropolis platter. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. It is the best Greek food that I've ever had, and I have to get it every time I see the Acropolis van. Oh my god, how the heck are we going to eat this, Emma? Without getting it all down our front. Get a dive in on this. Oh. Well, we didn't think we'd do it, but look at that.
We did.
We've only gone and done it. So I highly recommend you going to Acropolis, getting yourself an Acropolis platter, and then coming over here next to the Santa's Grotto thing, and having yourself a seat with a table. You even get your own street lamp. And if you do go to Acropolis for food, tell them Terry sent you. So I've had to get a pudding, of course, and I've gotten a crumble pot, so I've got an apple crumble and custard. So we've come into the Moose and Vert, the teepee bar. It is chock-a-block full. Pint of cider. So there you have it. That is Newcastle Christmas Market 2024. No doubt we will probably come back again and have another look around, try some more food. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.